In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit content in Bettermode for 2025 with a step-by-step guide. If you want to make sure your content is up to date and polished, then you're in the right place. First, let's head over to Bettermode by opening your preferred web browser and visiting their official site. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on the Browse Templates button. This is the starting point for editing as it provides you a wide array of template options to choose from and is located right at the top of the page, making it easy to access. Now from the templates page, you'll see an option that says Start from Basic Site. Clicking this gives you the foundation upon which you can build and customize your content extensively. It's a fantastic starting point if you prefer building your content from scratch, but with a guiding structure. Once you've selected this, you'll be prompted to create your first space. When you click on Create Your First Space, it opens up a canvas where you can tailor your content to best fit your audience. Here's a little tip. Spaces in Bettermode act like categories or different sections of your site where you can organize content distinctly. Next, guide yourself to the Content tab. Click on it to dive deeper into your content options. This section allows you to manage all aspects of your posts and material within Bettermode. What you want to do next is decide what specifically you wish to edit. You have choices like posts, spaces, tags, or even the CMS. If, for instance, you need to make adjustments to a specific post, simply select it. After selecting, click on its title. This action opens up the editing tools necessary to modify your content. From this point, you can edit the content by clicking on the pencil icon you'll see on the page. This intuitive icon symbolizes edit mode and allows you to start making necessary changes. Additionally, if you scroll down, there are more options available to edit based upon your requirements, giving you a comprehensive suite of tools to refine your site's content fully. Now, for more granular edits, navigate using the three dots located usually on the top right of your content. Clicking these provides further options, including the Edit choice, which you should select to continue refining content. Once you've made all desired modifications, ensure you save your work. You can do this by clicking on the Update button. Confirming these changes updates your site to reflect all the hard work you put into improving your content. And there you have it, a fully updated and edited Bettermode site ready to engage your audience. Make sure to revisit regularly to keep your content fresh and relevant. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.